Okay, cool. So this next one here is for the notifications that you requested. So whether or not they book an appointment in the Melbourne pipeline or for the Sydney pipeline. So you just find them both here. So Sydney appointments booked notification, Melbourne appointments booked notification. How these are both set up, identical. So contacts deal stage changes in the pipeline separation divorce in Sydney. So it changes from VSS follow-up to appointment booked. So that's when someone moves them from this stage here into the appointment book stage. So I've set up, I've just put you in there as a placeholder for now. So you might want to jump in and just change the mobile, but I've just got you. So I've just set up to notify from Australian Lawyers, info@australianlawyers.com.au. I've got you in there now. You can put up to 5 separate emails addresses in there. So whoever is relevant, or if you only want the one, set up the subject. So I'll let you jump in there and fix all that up. So you can change the subject and then whatever content you want to pull in there. You can pull in some personalized content as well based on whatever info that they've given us. So whether it's email address, phone, full name, so you can put that in there. So and so has just booked an appointment regarding separation divorce. So that's set up as well now. So I'll let you jump in there, James, and you can jump in and add in the applicable or the relevant email addresses and whatever content you want to add to that notification email.